Sophie had always found solace in the rhythm of the waves. Every summer, she returned to the same small beach town where she spent her childhood vacations. The sea was her sanctuary, a place where she felt the world's worries wash away with each tide. One early morning, as the sun peeked over the horizon, Sophie walked along the shore, the cool water lapping at her feet. Lost in her thoughts, she almost didn't notice the figure sitting on a large driftwood log. A man, with a sketchbook in hand, intensely focused on capturing the beauty of the sunrise. Curiosity piqued, Sophie approached him. "Mind if I take a look?" she asked softly. The man looked up, surprised but smiling. "Sure," he replied, handing her the sketchbook. "I'm Jack, by the way." Sophie studied the drawing, amazed at the detail and emotion captured in the simple lines. "This is beautiful, Jack." "I'm Sophie." Over the next few days, their paths crossed repeatedly. They shared stories over coffee at the local cafe, strolled along the beach, and talked for hours under the starry sky. Sophie learned that Jack was an artist traveling to find inspiration. He was drawn to the tranquility of the sea, much like Sophie. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden hue over the water, Jack took Sophie's hand. "This place, it's special. But it's you who makes it magical for me," he said, his voice barely above a whisper. Sophie's heart raced. "I feel the same, Jack. I've never felt this way before." As the days turned into weeks, their bond grew stronger. They laughed, explored hidden coves, and built sandcastles like children. Each moment was a treasure, each day a gift. The beach, with its endless waves and whispering winds, became the backdrop for their unfolding love story. But as summer drew to a close, a bittersweet feeling settled over them. Jack's travels were calling him away, and Sophie had commitments back in the city. On their last night together, they sat on the beach, watching the moonlight dance on the water. Jack pulled Sophie close. "No matter where I go, this place, and you, will always be in my heart," he said. Tears glistened in Sophie's eyes. "Promise me, we'll meet here again. Same time next year." Jack nodded, sealing the promise with a tender kiss. A year later, Sophie returned to the beach, her heart pounding with anticipation. As she walked to their spot, she saw him, waiting with a sketchbook in hand and a smile that melted her heart. They ran to each other, embracing as if no time had passed. From that moment on, every summer, Sophie and Jack returned to their special beach. Their love, like the ocean, was timeless and ever-renewing. The tides of love brought them together and would never let them drift apart.